Alright, my camera's finally fucking working. Sweet. For some reason it was saying some other app was running and it was using the mic, which I don't even know what the hell was going on with that. But, well, we got a truck behind us too. Got the good old Jeep out here. Just driving around in two-wheel drive. It's been snowing all damn night. Light powdery stuff, but still snow. And as you can see, it's got just hard to see where the hell to go. Where's the road? Who knows? Oh, look at the little cars out here. Little cars. They're trying. Little SUV. Looks like we got a Tahoe or a Bourbon behind us here. Can't really tell. He's probably got 4x4 on, but I do not right now. I'm just trying to cruise around out here and have a good old time. Yeah, getting it. As you see in the signs back there, road closed ahead, so technically there shouldn't be too much foot traffic down here. As you can see, I'm driving on the middle of the road. That's where the road has been set out by other vehicles. Not going too fast at all. But there's some serious driftage and snow built up in the road in spots, and being just in two-wheel drive right now, front end can't get away from you. Turn that down a little bit. Yeah, this is another winter in Wisconsin still. Hard to fucking believe it's February. It's actually almost the end of February, to be precise. Oh, look at that. Wonder if I can get through. Might have to turn around. It's kind of looking that way. Kind of looking that way. Try not to go in the ditch here. Usually you can get to that road up there, but apparently right now you can't. So I'm just gonna turn my happy ass around here. Another car right there. It's like they're looking at me down there. Construction people. What is this dumbass doing? Well, I'm trying to turn around there, guy. Squirt it. Sorry, I dropped my camera half there for a second. Didn't know who that was. It looked like it could have been a copper, but it wasn't. Well, what the hell? What the hell? We gotta find some more fun roads to drive down now. I thought, hey, closed road, no traffic of, you know, many people, should be awesome, but not that great. Thanks for stopping by, thanks for watching. Seems when I put these videos on YouTube, people seem to like them, so hit that like button if you do. Check out my other videos. Subscribe to my channel if you really feel like going the extra mile. I'm not the most popular thing on YouTube, but most of my stuff isn't complete nonsense. Most of it. There is some nonsense, but good old Jeep. Huh, which way should we go? I'm thinking going back away from the state here. Clean off the window here. shabby. Luckily, there's a lot of foot travel, car travel, truck travel, whatever. There's people driving on the roads, so the roads aren't too shit. Like you can see on that side of the road, it's actually pretty open. You can see patches of it. But yeah, it's not fun out here. It is not fun out here. Hey, you get some road. Every once in a while you find it. It's just straight whiteout conditions though. I mean, visibility is going to be a little better on my phone than what it actually is. I don't know why. I've filmed in rainstorms, snowstorms, and any other kind of storm in between, and it just seems the quality on a camera grabs everything pretty well, but it does not show how crazily foggy or rainy or snowy things really are. See that? Oh yeah, there you go. She grabbed. So, wait a second. I'm gonna park over here. Huh. Let's go check out this park. Looks pretty secure. Get fun out here. See if we can get a donut going, I guess. She like grabs traction and then loses it so quickly. Yeah, right now, oh yeah, there we go. There we go. We're in. We got a donut going. Woohoo! Not too shabby. I feel like crawling over that. It's like a median to leave the place. I feel like crawling it. There are cars coming. No? Let's do it. Yeah. No problems. No problems. I mean, it was just a little median type deal. Nothing crazy. No turn left. Why? That's the way I want to turn. I know this isn't a fucking one-way road. I mean, it kind of is right now with the snow, but still. I'm gonna pause you right here, and I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a shot of the Jeep, let you guys see what I'm driving here. Some know if you've been watching my videos and channel. If you don't know, you're about to get a little look at her. So we'll check that out right now. Hey, we're back to recording. Ooh, look at those HIDs. Got the hazards on. Got LEDs in the lowers. In here, got the LED. It's not that bright. They kind of shine all around, but not really the front. So it's kind of weird. But that's the Jeep. I'm just standing in the middle of the road. Train's going by. Getting wind blasted. We'll get back in here. Back in the Jeep where it's warm. Whew, it's fucking brutal out there. Crazy business, man. Crazy business. 35 on this turn. We're doing 20 at the moment. I did just get rolling here again, so it's not like I've had time to pre-game this turn. But if there's other cars coming, you don't want to really try to share that road with them. Look how pretty it looks though. Little trees overhanging the road. It's like something out of a book or a movie. Hey, we're making a movie. Not really. I appreciate you guys watching and stopping by, checking out this video. If you've made it this far into the video. I mean, it's not like there's much crazy shit to do on the road. You just drive. But the fact that Wisconsin gets winters like we do, I feel like sharing it with people, because some states have no idea what snow is. I mean, you go to Maryland and fuck, they get an inch or two of snow, the city is shut down. They can't do nothing. They don't have the snow equipment to deal with it. They don't have the salt or the sand to dump on the roads to deal with it. And the shit just gets shut the fuck down. Here we up on Kraut Road here. Let's head a little bit further out, I guess. It's getting her. Rooster tails a snow shooting out the rear end. I'm gonna try and make this video not too super long. I've already got 10 minutes into it. Just kind of aimlessly driving around, a little donut drifting, you know, parking lot fun. That was cool. But other than that, just kind of showing you the crap that people in Wisconsin have to deal with. Other states obviously get snow too. I mean, other states get worse snow than we do, but being in the southern southeast side of Wisconsin, we get this weird lake effect snow where we either don't get snow or we get fucking bombs. It's rarely that we just get a little dusting. It's never that easy on us. Looks like the snow, well, maybe not. I'm looking through my camera while I'm driving. Oh god, it's getting pushed off the road. Looking through my camera while I'm driving, and it looks like it's not too bad out here. And then all of a sudden I'm like looking at the road and whatnot. I'm like, whoa, yeah, I'm getting kicked all over the place. See, I knew this road was fucking open. Those bastards are just fucking me over there. I was right over there before, and obviously, I mean, the road's, you know, getting construction done to a point, but this is all I wanted to do, is get to this point over here by Highway V and take Kraut Road from there. But oh yeah, some dude's driving a fucking Pontiac Bonneville who works at the construction. Like, what are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? I have to add some oil to the Jeep. She's looking a little on the low side for the gauge of PSI. Oil pressure. I'm not sure if it's actually measured in PSI. I'd imagine it should be, but I'm not a mechanic like that, so don't know that information. I'm not going to try to say I do. That's how you get people commenting that I'm a dumbass and I don't know what I'm talking about, which, you know, hey, I would agree with you on that oil pressure sensor there. I have another video, actually. I'm on this same road during the same kind of weather, and a Mercedes car came around this corner. It's pretty funny. Okay, opposite lane of traffic. Just kind of getting this corner sideways a little bit. Fun road, fun road. I'm not sure where it's going to spit us out though. I think it's going to spit us out closer to the frontage road. I know you'd think, you know, I live around here, I would know these things, but sometimes. Oh yeah. Man, it is just shitty out here. I have yet to put my 4x4 on though. I don't need it. You can get away without it if you know what the fuck you're doing. Oh yeah, there's the interstate. How shitty the interstate's looking. I'm gonna pause you guys for a second, kind of get a little closer and see what's going on. Alright, well, we're on the frontage road. Oh god, you know where I am now. Come coming up on Highway K in Racine, Wisconsin. Holy Lord, information. But yeah, as you can see, interstate, I'm doing 30. They're pulling on me slightly as I pull on the road here and almost hit the fucking guardrail. But so I mean, the interstate's not moving bad. I see clear road down there. Try to open my window. Okay, we got a van coming. Van coming. Slide on over. So the interstate's not looking too bad. Don't mind all the window water crap on there. It's snowing. I got the heat on. It's gonna happen. All right, let's get off the fucking frontage road because it's fucking lame sauce. Ooh, Golf Road. Golf Road's looking unplowed, untended, and just looking like a load of fun here. Wheelman behind the wheel. I mean, I guess, you know, it's a weekday. People do gotta, oh god, go places. I'm not sure how much you guys can see when I start to lose control of the vehicle in the video, but the ass end just be sliding out sometimes. The front end be getting pushed left or right. My 4x4, I can't just throw it on by hitting that sumbitch anymore, because that right there is disconnected from the 4x4 because of reasons of it not working properly. I need to do some welding down there, kind of rusted away and yada yada yada. Things to be fixed that I have yet to fix, but yeah. So getting the 4x4 put on, I had to crawl underneath the Jeep and actually manually turn it on. Which is not that big of a deal, but sometimes you don't want to get wet or muddy. Hey, look, road. Get a little speed on this sumbitch. There we go, yeah. Doing almost 40 now. Watch out for me. Alright, well, I'm gonna cut the video here. I don't know, 17 minutes, that's a big video. I'm not sure if YouTube will accept that. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for more, I guess. See what's going on in the world of Cracky 262.